How to create AI images using Recraft AI. First, open your web browser and go to Recraft.ai. Then, sign in with your Google account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create. Next, click the prompt box and describe the image you want to create. For example, type a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, neon lights, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, highly detailed. After entering your prompt, choose your preferred image style, aspect ratio, and image size, if those options are available. Now, click the Generate button. Recraft AI will create multiple images based on your prompt. Once the images are ready, preview the results. If you'd like a different look, edit your prompt or change the style and generate another version. Finally, click the Export button to save your favorite image. That's it. You've successfully created AI images using Recraft AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, design tips, and easy tech guides.